Fix. Sorry, this content isn't available right now. Error on Facebook. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Clean browser cache. You might be getting the error because of the general account bug. Therefore, you should log in, clear your cookies, and then log back in. Solution 2. Check if you have blocked the poster. Blocking the poster would result in the exact same outcome. You wouldn't be able to see their post. To check this, please follow these steps. Log into Facebook. Click the arrow button, Account, at the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy Settings. Go to the blocking section on the left and pick Block Users. Click Edit. Pick See Your Blocked List. Find the person in question and select Unblock. Solution 3. Check Privacy Settings. If you have posted something and your friends can't view it because of the error, you can change privacy settings in case they are set incorrectly. You can also notify your friends whose posts you can't see. They can do the same. Select Privacy on the left. Under your activity, check the Who Can See Your Future Posts section. Select Friends or Public if you prefer. Next, check the Limit the Audience for old posts on your timeline section. Remove limitations if present. Solution 5. Scan your system for malware.